FFIE stock here is having a parabolic move. We're on the hourly chart where we announced on our Discord that the 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA is a buy signal. So we had a buy signal here right around 144 yesterday on February 11th. Okay, that occurred on February 11th. Yesterday here was February 12th. We had a high here, I believe, of 149 before today, which is Thursday, February 13th. A big rip up to the top side here, up over 19% at the moment. Watching out for that move towards $1.90 resistance, like I mentioned before. If you watch our previous video on FFIE, that's what I was talking about. Watch for a resistance test at 190. Okay, full disclosure, I am not in FFIE. In any positions. If you watch any of my previous videos, I do disclose what kind of positions I'm in if I'm talking about it during the stock video. So FFIE, I'm not in it at the moment, and I just want to let you guys know this. All my videos are unbiased, and I'm going over FFIE right now, saying that there is a potential test towards 192. 192 here is a major resistance level to keep an eye out for. After that, watch for the $2 resistance as well. Now, if you're looking for a pullback, you can potentially view this as a support level at 160. That's a short-term support level. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out here to the 4-hourly chart. That way you can see the bigger grand scheme of things, right? Now, we are currently testing above the 200 EMA for FFIE. What that means is we're watching for this test up to 190, right? That's what I was talking about earlier. If we can break above 190 and also the $2 resistance level, the next resistance after that is all the way towards 260, okay? Post 260, this is going to sound a lot. Watch for a test towards 307 resistance, 355 resistance, as well as 415 resistance, and then the high there of $5.10 on FFIE. If you are in FFIE, I highly recommend joining the Discord, link down below in the description. There's over 32,000 members there sharing due diligence on FFIE. It's free to join. And then if you're looking for our live entries and exits, where we did call out FFIE, you can join our Patreon. It is 90% off right now. I highly recommend trying it out for a month. It's totally worth it. It's only 10 bucks. You can cancel if you don't like it. Most people end up even switching to the annual subscription, but give us a try for a month if you'd like. The $10 one is the most affordable one. I think in comparison to most other Discords, it's pretty affordable for what you get. You get 20 analysts sharing their live entries and exits, and a lot of them sharing FFIE alerts as well. So if that's something you're interested in, I highly recommend it. Even though I'm not in FFIE, I did call out that this was going to be a good buy signal right around the 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA on the hourly chart, right? This looks really good in my opinion. I would definitely keep an eye out for $1.90. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share this to other FFIE folks or your friends and family. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just saying this is my personal prediction, and this is where I prefer to potentially enter and exit, okay? All these are going to be trade ideas, not guaranteeing anything, of course, for the disclaimer. 190 resistance, once again, as well as 260 resistances are the two that I'm keeping an eye out for going into the next 1 or 2 weeks, okay? So expect a lot of volume and volatility to kick into FFIE. If there is any sort of pullback, then you can watch out for 160, followed by potentially 140, okay? Thanks for watching, and I hope you get a chance to join the Patreon as well, since it's 90% off for our 5-year anniversary. I don't know how long the discount will continue for, but if you do get to join, it's a grandfathered price. You get to keep the discount permanently if you do join the Patreon, okay? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for FFIE. I'll make another update once we break above $1.90, and then also 260 if we get there, okay?